This is a beginner friendly video on how I made the sleeves, and it was my first time recreating one of this. First off, my aim is 3 pleats for these pleated sleeves. So my paper is 7 inches long and 9 inches wide. How I came about this pleat was, I first marked the 0.25 I would use to turn it at the top. Then the size of the pleat was 0.75. Then I marked 1 inch. So that 1 inch, I bent it to reach where the 0.75 is, as you can see in the video. Then marked another 0.75, then another 1 inch, then pleated the 1 inch to meet where the 0.75 is, giving me my second pleat. I kept doing this till I had like the 3 pleats I needed, and then I added 0.25 at the bottom. So you're going to cut 2 pairs for both the left and the right sleeve. 2 pairs, just 2 pairs. The lining part of it, I'll show you how I went about it. And I proceeded to notch each point. Your pleat size can be bigger than mine, but mine is 0.75. So I pinned the first pleat down, just as I had explained in the paper form, and then I pressed it down till it was flat. Now we'll be using the hemming gum. All you have to do is just take a little bit, place it underneath each of the folded lines, and then press it down. Now you proceed and repeat the same process for the second step. I use pin to hold the both edges of the pleats to make it easier. And after pressing it down, proceed to use your hemming gum just as I did in the first step. Now you proceed to press everything down, making sure that everything is in place so that it will not gape after. Now you repeat the same process for the third step, just as I had done in the second step. By the time I was done ironing the 3 pleats I intended for the sleeves, this was what it looked like. So I'm using the same material for the lining. What I did was I placed the pleated part on top of a fresh fabric. Then I proceeded to trim off the excesses, making sure that the lining was same length as the pleated sleeve. In case your hemming gum is not staying put after you've pressed it from the front, you can turn the back and press it and it will stick more faster. So for the lining part, I use this tape to iron on it. And then after that, I trimmed it out. Next up, you place the front of the pleated part facing the front of the lining, and sew the top and the bottom, but leave the sides open. After sewing it down, this is what it looks like. Now you proceed to turn it out. At the time you're done turning it out, everything must have scattered, so you have to carefully arrange it back and press it down so that everything will stay. For me, I believe it's because my hemming stay did not stick very well before I turned it. Also flip to the back and iron everything in place. Once that is done, it's time to attach the sleeve. So the pleat side will definitely face the front side of the clothes. You decide where you want to attach the sleeve. As for me, I was doing a color combination, so I attached it to the point where the color started from. Next up, you pin the main sleeves to the armhole, after which you just have to sew everything down together. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.